Okay, hello, I'm back again from Caracas, Venezuela. You already know my workshop virtual classroom, so I go directly to module 1. Remember that my workshop is a Moodle workshop for university teachers. Okay, I'm in module 1, that's the introduction, the general objective, the resources. Remember that I'm using the flipped classroom. I'm presenting first the resources, and then we are doing the activities with the final task. Okay, today we are going to show how to add a resource. First, we go to the editing mode. Just wait a little, my internet is rather slow. Okay, now we have the editing mode. We can see it, the little pencils here, and we can change whatever we need here. Okay, we are going to add a resource. We will go to the end of the section and we have this part. When we click it, we have access to all the resources and activities, as I said earlier on. In this opportunity, we are going to add a resource, an archive, a file, a book, a web page, an URL, a label. I like URLs. I'm going to add a video, an external video, which has been published in internet. So I click URL and I'm going to add a title, creating a virtual classroom. Creating a virtual classroom, video for creating a virtual classroom. Okay. Sorry about this. Creating a virtual classroom. Okay. Now we need to add the URL, an external URL. Here is the video that I want to share with you. I copy the URL, go back to my, I'm lost. Sorry about this. What I'm doing. Okay. Here is the URL of the video URL. The appearance will be in another screen, and I'm saving the changes. I have already added a new resource, and we can see it at the end of the section. Here is the new resource. As I have already added all my resources, I'm going to delete this one. It is deleted. I can see all my resources in my virtual classroom. And well, I hope you like viewing my video. Bye bye. Cheerio.